I am going to tell you class 10 multiple choice question part 1. Write in your copy if you have no book. Number 1. From which country did Sri Lanka won its independence? Number A, Belgium. Number B, France. Number C, Spain. Number D, England. Correct answer is England. Correct answer is England. Question 2. Name language spoken in Sri Lanka. Number 1 A, English and Tamil. Number B, French Sinhala. Number C, Sinhala and Tamil. Number D, Tamil. Correct answer is Sinhala and Tamil. Question 3. When did Belgium gain independence? Number A, February 4, 1948. Number B, August 15, 1947. Number C, June 21, 1849. Number D, April 19, 1839. Answer will be April 19, 1839. Question 4. What is the percentage of Sinhala speaking in Sri Lanka? Number A, 58. Number B, 74. Number C, 65. Number D, 82. Answer is 74. Correct answer is 74. Number 5. Which of the following minority communities is relatively rich and powerful in Belgium? Number A, French. Number B, Dutch. Number C, German. Number D, English. Correct answer is French. Question 6. Which among the following Question 6. Which among the following are valid reasons for power sharing? Number A, all sections of the society are given a share in the administrative of their country. Number B, only the pupil of the majority community enjoy all the political rights. This is the correct answer. Only the pupil of the majority community enjoy all the political rights. Number C, no other group other than the majority group can take part in elections. 7. In which of the following countries majoritarianism is followed? Number A, Belgium. Number B, Sri Lanka. Number C, India. Number D, England. You know the answer is Sri Lanka. Question 8. Which of the following is the main religion of Sri Lanka? Which of the following is the main religion of Sri Lanka. You can see here number A Hinduism, number B Buddhism, number C Christianity, number D Islam. Answer is Buddhism. Question 9. How many times was Belgium constitution amended? Again I am telling, how many times was Belgium constitution amended? Number A twice, number B thrice, number C 4 times, number D 5 times. Answer is 4 times. Question 10. Which of the following languages is not spoken in Belgium? Number A Dutch, number B French, number C German, number D Spanish. Correct answer is Spanish. Now part 2, very short answer type question. Write in your copy. Number 1, which 2 languages are generally spoken in Belgium? This is the question. Question 1, write in your copy. Very short answer type question. Very short answer type questions. Question 1, which 2 languages are generally spoken in Belgium? Answer, French and Dutch are 2 languages that are generally spoken in Belgium. Question 2, name any 2 countries which Belgium has borders. Answer, I had already told you in the class, Belgium has borders with France and Luxembourg. Question 3, which is the capital of the country Belgium? You know it already, I told you in the class. Or which is the capital of Belgium? Answer, Brussels is the capital of Belgium. Question 4, which major social group constituted the largest share in population of Sri Lanka? Answer, Sinhalese constituted the largest share in the population of Sri Lanka. Question 5, which country do Indian Tamils belong to? Which country do Indian Tamils belong to? Answer, Indian Tamils belongs to Sri Lanka. Question 6, majoritarianism is followed in which country? Majoritarianism is followed in which country? Majoritarianism is followed in Sri Lanka. Question 7, what is majoritarianism? Answer, a belief that the majority community should be able to rule the country in whichever way they want, by disregarding the wishes Question 8, in which year did Sri Lanka achieve its independence? Right answer right. Sri Lanka gained its independence in 1948. Question 9, state any 2 measures adopted by Sri Lanka in 1956 as part of their majoritarian policy. Again I am going to tell you, question 9, state any 2 measures adopted by Sri Lanka in 1956 as part of their majoritarian policy. In 1956, an act was passed by the Sri Lankan government. It's recognized. Number 1, Sinhala is the only official language. Number 2, government following preferential policies that favored Sinhala applicants for university and government jobs. Question 10. Which country has adopted Buddhism as its official religion? Answer. Sri Lanka has adopted Buddhism as its official religion. Question 11. Which factors are responsible for increasing the feeling of alienation among the Sri Lanka Tamils? Answer. Sri Lankan Tamils felt that the constitution and government policies denied them equal political rights, discriminated against them in getting jobs and other opportunities, and ignored their interest. All these are responsible for increasing the feeling of alienation among the Sri Lankan Tamils. Question 12. How many times between 1970 and 1993 was the Belgium Constitution amended? Answer. Between 1970 and 1993, 4 times the Belgium Constitution was amended. Again, I am going to tell you how many times between 1970 and 1993 was the Belgium Constitution amended. Answer. Between 1970 and 1993, 4 times the Belgium Constitution was amended. Question 13. Who elects the community government in Belgium? Who elects the community government in Belgium? Answer. People belonging to one particular language, community like Dutch, French or German elect the community government in Belgium. Question 14. Apart from the central and state government, community government is the third type of government practiced in Belgium. Answer. Question 15. The community government in Belgium is a good example of which form of power sharing? Answer: the community government in Belgium is a good example of social group sharing type of power. This is the very short answer type questions. Now write short question answer. Question 1. Describe the ethnic composition of Belgium. Again I am telling you, question 1. Describe the ethnic composition of Belgium. Answer: it is or its IT apostrophe S ethnic composition is very complex. Full stop. Out of the total population of the country, 59% live in the Flemish region and speak Dutch language. Other 40% people live in the Wallonia region and speak French. The remaining 1% speak German. Brussels is the capital of Belgium, where 80% people speak French, while 20% are Dutch speaking. Question 2. Write short note on accommodation in Belgium. Number 1. According to the Constitution, the number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in the central government. So, no single community can make decision unilaterally. Point number 2. The state government is not subordinate to the central government. Many powers of the central government have been given to the state government of 2 regions of the country. Third, Brussels has a separate government in which both the communities have equal representation. Question 3. What are the objectives of power sharing? What are the objectives of power sharing? Answer: 1. It helps in division of powers at 3 levels. Already you know, central, state and local. Point number 2, it helps in providing social and economic justice to the people. Third, it helps in reduction of poverty as even socially disadvantaged groups are allowed to share power in society. Again, I am going to tell you question number 3. If you write any wrong thing, correct it. Question 3. What are the objectives of power sharing? Question mark. Answer 1. It helps in division of power at 3 levels: central, state and local. Point number 1. Point number 2, it helps in providing social and economic justice to the people. Point 3, it helps in reduction of poverty as even socially disadvantaged groups are allowed to share power in society. So again, I am going to tell you what is power sharing. Just listen very carefully. Power sharing is when the power is shared among the different organs of the government, like legislature, judiciary and executive. It is also known as horizontal distribution of power. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, I told you every organ of the government will check other organs' works. Like legislature makes the law, legislature will check the judiciary, judiciary will check the executive, executive will check the legislature. This is known as horizontal distribution of power. What is vertical distribution of power? When the power is shared between the different level of the government. What is vertical distribution of power? When the power is shared among the different level of the government, like state government, local government and say union government. You know that another name of union government is central government. What is civil war? Do you know? Just I am revision the chapter. I am telling the important topic of the chapter. Civil war, when the two groups belong to same country, fight each other. When the two community belong to same country and fight each other, that is known as civil war. Civil war destroy the unity of any country. It should not be done. In Sri Lanka, Tamils and Sinhalese fought each other. Thousands of people killed from both the sides. So it is very dangerous for the country. We should not go for civil war at any cost, because it destroys the unity of any country. We should be united. And now I am going to tell you what are the objects of power sharing. Again, I am going to tell you the objects of power sharing is that to reduce the poverty from any country. What are the objects of power sharing? Yesterday I told you the objects of power sharing is to reduce the poverty of any country and to make democracy successful. To make democracy successful, it is also the objects of power sharing. Now, again I am going to tell you, just describe the ethnic composition of Belgium. If it is coming, its ethnic composition is very complex. Out of the total population of the country, 59% live in the Flemish region and speak Dutch language. Dutch means Holland. The language of Holland is Dutch language. Other 40% people live in the Wallonia region and speak French. The remaining 1% speak French, 1% speak German. Brussels is the capital of Belgium, where 80% people speak French while 20% are Dutch speaking. Thank you very much.